Dealers hate this list. 5 cars that go over 250,000 miles without major repairs and cost less than $15,000. The industry doesn't want you to know this because it would destroy their constant replacement business. Pay attention because if you own one of these gems I'm about to show, comment "not for sale." Number 2 will shock you with its ridiculously low price, and number 1 has examples with over 300,000 miles running like new. Each car can change your perspective on smart investments. Let's start right now with number 5.
Number 5. Toyota Corolla 2003-2008. If you have one of these Corollas sitting in your garage, congratulations! You own an automotive relic worth its weight in gold. This Corolla generation isn't just a car, it's practically a walking investment. With the 1ZZ-FE 1.8-liter engine, these cars have proven to exceed 300,000 miles without major issues. The secret to their longevity? Conservative Japanese engineering that prioritizes durability over power. Taxi drivers worldwide love them because they simply don't break. Oil change every 5,000 miles, clean air filter, and you're set. Many owners report maintenance costs under $500 annually. If you find a well-maintained one, buy it immediately. These Corollas don't depreciate anymore, they only go up in value, because every day there are fewer available in the market.
Number 4. Honda Civic 2006-2011. The Civic from this era is the perfect definition of buy once, drive forever. Honda perfected the formula during these years. Bulletproof engines, transmissions that last decades, and fuel economy that makes you forget about gas stations. The 1.8-liter R18 engine is legendary among enthusiasts, capable of reaching 250,000 miles without rebuilding. The 5-speed manual transmission is solid as a rock, and the 5-speed automatic rarely shows failures. These Civics age like fine wine, improving their reputation every year that passes. Depreciation stopped long ago, now they only go up in value. Mechanics love them because repairs are cheap and simple. The air conditioning system works perfectly after 15 years, and the interior maintains premium quality even with high mileage. If your Civic from this generation still runs, hold on to it like liquid gold.
Number 3. Toyota Camry 2007-2011. The Camry from this decade represents the peak of Japanese automotive engineering applied to family sedans. With the 2AZ-FE 2.4-liter engine, these cars are unstoppable machines that treat 200,000 miles like a warm-up. Toyota built these Camrys thinking about families that needed reliable transportation for decades, not years. The 6-speed automatic transmission is as smooth at 125,000 miles as it was on day one. Climate control systems work perfectly after 15 years. Original owners report ridiculously low maintenance costs, just oil changes, brakes, and tires. What really distinguishes this generation is the combination of generous interior space with absolute reliability. The fabric seats were made to last, and the dashboard maintains all functionalities even after a decade and a half. If your Camry still purrs like a satisfied cat, keeping it is the smartest financial decision you can make. This isn't just a car, it's heritage on wheels.
Number 2. Honda Accord 2008-2012. If you have a Honda Accord from this generation in your garage and you're thinking about selling it, stop right now. These Accords are time machines on wheels. The 2.4-liter K24 engine from this era is practically indestructible. There are units with over 300,000 miles that still run like day one. The 6-speed manual transmission is solid as stone, and the 5-speed automatic, with basic maintenance, can exceed 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Veteran mechanics will tell you a secret. These Accords age like fine wine. While other cars from the same era are in junkyards, these continue conquering roads. The fuel consumption is excellent, about 24 mpg city and 34 mpg highway. Parts are abundant and economical. The interior is as spacious as an executive car, but with the reliability of a battle tank. The suspension maintains comfort even after hundreds of thousands of miles. This Accord isn't just transportation. It's an investment that pays for itself in longevity and economy.
Number 1.
Toyota Prius 2004 to 2009. The absolute king of automotive longevity has arrived. This second-generation Toyota Prius isn't just a car. It's a revolution on wheels that proved hybrids can be immortal. Surprise! The Prius from this generation didn't just change the world, but demonstrated that hybrid cars can live forever. These cars are reaching 300,000 miles with original batteries functioning perfectly. The Atkinson gasoline engine works under ideal conditions because the electric system constantly reduces its effort. Brakes last twice as long because regeneration protects them from wear. The CVT transmission, which initially made mechanics suspicious, has proven to be practically maintenance-free. The hybrid parts, which seemed futuristic, now have abundant and economical replacements. The fuel economy is insane, up to 50 mpg in the city. The interior space is larger than it appears from outside, and reliability exceeds any expectation. A Prius from this generation won't just last decades, but will save you thousands in fuel while doing it. It's literally an investment that pays for itself. Think about this. While other cars integrate into junkyards, the Prius improves with age like fine wine. If you take care of it, it will take care of you forever.
Have you decided which of these 5 eternal cars you're going to look for? If you own any from this list, comment "not for sale" and tell us how many miles it has. But this is just the beginning, because I've prepared the 10 cheapest cars to maintain that exist and the 5 mistakes that destroy any engine in less than a year. If you don't want to miss these secrets that can save you thousands of dollars, subscribe and hit the bell. And if this video helped you discover that your car is worth gold, leave your like so more people can protect their rolling investments. The next video will change everything you thought about automotive mechanics. See you there.